For months, the skies have been quiet. Too quiet. While we've been busy flying our Avata 2s, enjoying the thrill of cinematic FPV, a shadow has been growing in the background. A shadow that whispers of a drone so advanced, so revolutionary, it threatens to redefine not just FPV, but the entire drone industry. We're talking about the DJI Avata 3. This isn't just about a new iteration. This is about a complete paradigm shift. If the leaks and insider whispers are even half true, the Avata 3 isn't merely an upgrade. It's a quantum leap into the future of flight, imaging, and immersive experience. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. And what I'm about to share with you, the rumored sensor, the radical new flight modes, and a feature that will literally change how you interact with the world, will make every other drone feel like a toy. If you thought you understood what FPV was capable of, prepare to have your mind blown. This is the story of the DJI Avata 3, and why it will be the drone that changes everything. The camera system, beyond 4K, into the immersive realm. Let's dive straight into the eyes of the beast, the camera. The Avata 2 delivered solid 4K, but the Avata 3 is rumored to leap ahead. The most consistent leaks point to an upgraded 1/1.3-inch sensor capable of 5.7K at 60 frames per second, and crucially, 4K at a mind-blowing 120 frames per second. But it's not just about resolution, it's about quality. Imagine recording breathtaking cinematic shots in slow motion, with every detail rendered in pristine 4K. This means sharper images, better low-light performance, and dynamic range that will make your current footage look flat. But here's the real kicker. Whispered leaks suggest a radical new D-Log M 10-bit color profile, designed to give professional colorists an unprecedented level of control. This isn't just for FPV pilots. This is for serious filmmakers. And for those who live for the extreme, imagine an enhanced Rocksteady 4.0 and Horizon Steady 3.0 that can iron out even the most aggressive flips and dives, making your footage smoother than ever before. This camera system isn't just for flying. It's for storytelling in a way no FPV drone has allowed before. Flight performance, from agile to autonomous, and back again. Now, let's talk about how this beast actually moves. The Avata 3 is rumored to feature a completely redesigned propulsion system, boasting longer flight times, up to 30 minutes on a single battery charge, and significantly increased wind resistance. This isn't just about covering more ground. It's about pushing the boundaries of where and how you can fly. But the real revolution is in the flight modes. Beyond the enhanced manual, M, and Sport, S, modes for ultimate control, the Avata 3 is rumored to introduce an AI-assisted cinematic drift mode. Imagine selecting a subject, and the drone intelligently executes perfectly smooth, arcing, and swirling camera movements around it, adjusting for wind and obstacles, all while you maintain minimal input. This isn't just beginner-friendly. It's a professional-grade tool that democratizes complex FPV maneuvers. And for those daredevils, whispers suggest an incredibly robust reinforced carbon fiber frame and modular arms, designed to withstand the inevitable bumps and crashes of extreme FPV, making repairs easier and getting you back in the air faster. The Avata 3 is built for performance, resilience, and